Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet on a tawa. First, let's prepare our ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, some finely chopped onions, and a few green chilies for a little kick. Season with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a tiny bit of turmeric for that lovely golden hue. Whisk everything together really well for about 30 seconds until it's light and airy. Now, let's get our tawa ready. Place your non-stick tawa over a medium-low flame and let it heat up for about 2 minutes. Once it's warm, add 1 tablespoon of your preferred oil or butter, ensuring it coats the entire surface. Then, gently pour your whisked egg mixture onto the hot tawa, starting from the center and moving outwards to form a nice, even circle. As your omelet cooks, you'll notice the edges starting to set and turn a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Carefully use a spatula to loosen the edges all around. Now, for the classic fold, gently fold the omelet in half. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, or until it reaches your preferred level of doneness. And there you have it. Your delicious tawa omelet is ready. Carefully slide it off the tawa and onto a serving plate. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of red chili flakes. This quick and easy omelet is perfect for breakfast or a light meal. Enjoy it immediately with some warm toast, a side of chutney, or your favorite accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.